All right, you're welcome to information. Remember to like, subscribe, and share our video on our YouTube channel. All right, so here I'm going to teach you other things about Chelee. Remember, after registering or signing up on Chelee, this is where we start to earn our cool cash on Chelee. Okay, right now, if you look at this here, this is 0.51 Lee and it has changed to $1. What this means is that 0.51 Lee in dollars is $1. So that is it for what you're seeing there. What it means is that 0.51 Lee is equivalent to $1. So right here is a Chelee coin. It has not been listed, just like all these airdrops. So this is a Chelee coin that they'll be given to you when you perform various tasks like washing feet. So they'll be giving you Chelee coins. So that is that about that. Now, after signing up on Chelee, let me show you something. Let me show you something. Go to earn right here. You see earn. Remember, what I'm doing is to tell you everything about Chelee and how you can earn on it. In fact, this video is how Chelee works. So you tap on earn. When you tap on earn, you will see daily tags right here. Daily. You see daily. When you tap on daily, when you tap on daily, wait, let's tap on daily. When you tap on daily, you will see everything that you're required to do every day and the amount of Chelee coin that that will give to you. This is a task center. Yes. So every day you have to log in to Chelee and claim or do something. So for the 500 Chelee coin daily login, let me tap on it and do check. And they will award it to me. Then you can also do other daily works. That is for the Chelee coin. If you are doing it, they will be giving you a Chelee coin. Now that one apart. Now what I want to teach you guys is about making money, because that is why we're here. So immediately you sign up to Chelee. In Chelee, you wash feet with what they call glass. You understand? So immediately after you sign up on Chelee, this is a free glass known as starting. Is a free glass that you use in washing feet on Chelee. With this glass right here, you can make $5 on the first 3 days of signing up on Chelee. You can make at least $5 with this free glass. So after making this $5, you can't withdraw it. If you want to see how you can withdraw from Chelee, you can check other videos in our YouTube channel where I thought about it. It's very simple. You can withdraw to your local currency or in a kind of Zolf. In fact, it has so many other ways through which you can register. Just watch the video if you want to learn how to withdraw from Chelee. So that's one apart. So what I'm telling you now is that from this free glass that is right here, you can make nothing less than $5 on the first 2 to 3 days of your sign up on Chelee. You understand? So each glass has what is known as endurance. After signing up on Chelee, this glass can make up to $5, and after that, the endurance will now be equal to 0/100. Now, when your glass turns to 0/100, you have to buy another one. Remember, I said this is a free glass after your sign up. So now, after making that $5 from this free glass, you cannot withdraw that $5 unless you buy another glass. You understand? Okay, so this is what you are going to do when this free one has when the endurance has gone to 0/100. You now have to buy another one. Just from this, you can see that this account has bought another one already. You understand? So that is how Chelee works. You watch the feeds with with glasses. That is it. With glasses. You understand? Okay. So what you have to do now is to go to market menu right here. The market menu. When you go to the market menu, you will see a list of glasses. If you buy the one of $12.3, you get $39. If you buy the one of $11.03, you will get $48. You will earn up to $48. You understand, as you're watching the feed. Okay, right now what you understand or notice here is the higher the glass, the higher what you're going to get. Like this one now, if you buy the one of $206, you're going to get up to $679. So that is it about that. To buy the glass is very easy. You can just tap on buy. When you tap on buy, it will direct you. You just have to follow the prompt. Everything right there, you have to follow it. If you want to do the transfer based on bank or debit card, you choose. So that is let's not go far on this one right here. There's another video for that one. So what I want to teach you is how to make money here. Okay, now let's say for instance you bought the $12 glass. Just know that you're going to make $39. So after buying it, now let me show you how to now make money here. So after buying that one, you have, for example, if I tap on earn, after buying the glass, you have a particular number of minutes that you will be watching videos and you'll be getting paid. Okay, after buying the glass, let's go to watch. So we now tap here on the watch. Just pay attention. You now tap on the watch. Remember, we have bought the glass. We have, for example, we have exhausted the free glass that was given to us after our sign up, and we had about $5 then, not now. I'm just giving you an instance because I said after registration that the free glass Chelee will give to you, you can make up to $5 with that glass. You understand? Okay, you can make up to $5 with that glass. Then if you want to continue, you have to buy a new glass. Now for instance, if we say we bought that glass of $12, of which they said we are going to make about $39, then immediately after buying it, you can then withdraw that amount that you made from the free glass. You see how it is now? So there's no loss. Immediately you pay for a new glass, you can now withdraw from the amount you made using the free glass. Are you there with me? All right. So I'll play this video and you'll see how Chelee works. Okay, let me reduce the volume. Let me reduce the volume so you can hear me. So now, as you're watching the videos, you can see that you can see that these Chelee coins are adding up. So as they are adding up, as you're watching the feeds, your Chelee coins will be adding up. So that is how it works. This is for the Chelee coin. So now, I'll always advise people to make sure that, okay, now see, when you're watching a feed, this thing will always appear. This loot box, this is what we call a loot box. So it will always appear, and I'll advise you to tap on it. Immediately you tap on it, it will open and you see the amount. It said you get 0.0129 Lee. Okay, and in dollars, this is the amount it is in dollars. Understand? So that is it. So once it appears, once the loot box appears and you tap on it and it shows this, then you just say continue. You understand? So you can see that what I was explaining to you recently. It said check your income here and keep watching. Catch new bucks in just 1 minute. So that is it. That is it. So you keep on watching, and if you scroll up to the next video, as you are watching, your Chelee coin will be adding up. You understand? Your Chelee coin will be adding up. And I always advise people that each video, because according to Chelee, each videos feed that you're watching, make sure you watch it for at least 4 seconds. But I always tell people that they should make it at least something like 7 seconds so that they'll get paid for watching that particular video. Because like I just came up here and it's not up to 4 seconds, I scroll up, I won't be paid for that previous video, and I scroll up and I scroll up and I scroll, I will never get paid. So you have to stay on a particular video for at least 7 seconds. That is what I tell people, but Chelee say 4 seconds. I always say 7 seconds so that you won't make mistakes. You understand? So that is how it works. That is how it works. Okay, now let me pause it and continue with what I'm telling you. Okay, this is how Chelee works. You keep watching. Now I'm going to pause this video because as you're watching, there will be a timer will appear here. Let me continue. Let me just pause this video and continue watching. Once the timer appears, I'll tell you what it means about why it appeared and what it means. So let me pause the video. I'll get back here immediately it appears. Thank you. Okay, so right now, as you can see, this timer has appeared here because I just paused the video so we could see it. All right, it has appeared here. So let me tell you, whenever you are watching feeds on Chelee and this timer appeared right here, like this, what you're seeing here, it simply means that from now on till the next 1 hour, 9 minutes and 30 something seconds, all the feeds that you'll be watching from now on, you will not be paid for watching them. Do you get me? Do you get it? I said what this timer means is that for the next 1 hour, 9 minutes, and some seconds, that all the feeds you'll be watching, all the videos you'll be watching, you're not going to be paid for it. Understand? So this is for you to know whether you continue or you stop here. Understand? So that is how Chelee works. So that when this appears, you will know that you'll be paid in the next 1 hour and 8 minutes according to how whichever number of time was shown is showing there. You understand? So that is it. Sometimes you're going to see something like 2 hours, sometimes 3 hours. So that is it. But just know that whichever thing that the timer is showing you there, that is the next that has to elapse before you will start getting paid again for watching the feeds or the videos. So that is how Chelee works. So remember I said first that when you are watching Chelee and a box pops up, that box is known as loot box. When it pops up, just tap on it and tap on continue. As the box is popping up, that box contains the amount of Lee and the dollars that that the money that Chelee is paying you. That is what the box contains. So as you're watching, and remember I also said when you're watching each videos, according to Chelee said you have to watch at least for 4 seconds on each video. But I always tell people to watch more than that because most of the videos on Chelee are very interesting. You can watch more than that, then go to the next video, and Chelee will be paying you as you're watching. Then secondly, I also explain this right here, this thing right here, sorry. I also explain here, I said that as it's showing 0.53 Lee, that the amount in dollars is $1.05, $1 5 05 cents. So that is what it means, so you don't get confused on why it's changing from $1 plus to 0.53 Lee. So that is what it means. It means that 0.53 Lee, the equivalent in dollars, is 1.05. You understand? So that is it. And lastly, I also told you about this timer, what it means. It means that this very timer right here, this timer right here, means that you will get paid for watching videos in the next, after, or you just say after 1 hour 6 minutes and some seconds are elapsed. That is when you will start getting paid again. But at the moment, whatever you are watching right here, Chelee will not pay you, but you'll be getting your Chelee coins, only Chelee coins. That is what you'll be getting for watching more of it from here up. You understand? So until this timer elapse, when it elapse, that is when you start getting paid again in lease. But right now is only in coins that you'll be getting paid. Right here, this one right here. But what brought us to Chelee is to get paid, is to make more money in dollars. So that is that about that. I hope you understood all I said here. So you can leave a comment on the comment section so I'll know what next to teach you guys about Chelee. Alright, in our next video, I'm going to teach you how to buy glass from Chelee. Understand? I'll teach you how to buy glass from Chelee. That is what we'll do in our next video. So thank you for your time in watching this video. Remember, this is information, and once you're ready to learn, information is here to teach. Okay, that's it about that. Remember to like our video, subscribe, and comment. And that's it about that. To get this application, you can tap on the description of this video to sign up or download the Chelee application. You can tap on the description of this video, and from our referral link you will register and you will download the application and then sign up. Remember, I also made a video about how to sign up on Chelee, and also another video about how to withdraw from Chelee, and now also another video on how to buy glass on Chelee. Thank you for your time, and see you next in my video. Thank you.